my student. Next, we will explain to you about the chapter viral marketing. What is viral marketing? Viral marketing can be called as viral advertising, word of mouth advertising, or creating a buzz, or we can call it as the network marketing. So using the viral marketing, you can increase a brand awareness. And then you can also use viral marketing to achieve your marketing objective in sale, or you can also spread the information through all the social network. When social media be introduced in year 2000, in the year after that, the combination of the viral marketing and social media will give you a very powerful marketing strategy, because we can treat viral marketing as a virus that spread to all the social network. This is the example of the viral marketing strategy. Number one is viral advertising. You create advertising that suddenly become viral, and then a lot of people talk about your advertising. And then it will give you impact to the business that you operate. And then the network marketing using the social media. By utilizing viral marketing, it will be much easier for you to separate your marketing to all the network. And then at the same time, you can also create a word of mouth, and all the people talking about your product, about your brand. And then they will create a buzz in the online world. It's just like a virus, and it will separate into the others, and then all the people suddenly know about your product and also your brand. So this is the effect of the viral marketing strategy. And then the advantages of the viral marketing, it will help you promote your brand easily. Suddenly the people talking about your product, and then it can become a very good profit to your company. However, it should be noted here that there is also a problem when you want to launch a viral marketing. The first one is about spam issue. When you do the viral marketing strategy, and you will separate your viral advertising to all the social network, and then the social media network will notice and know that, okay, you are doing spam, and so they will block your advertising, and then they will prevent you to promote your product. This is what we call the spam issue problem. And then during the viral marketing also, it is very difficult to know and predict the success. And you already done the market research, you already done the demographic customer, and then you know that, oh, if you launch this kind of advertising, it become viral. But it is very hard to predict the success. Next is about negative publicity. You have to know that when you do advertising, they will have a two-way, whether it will become a positive effect or the negative effect. So, most of the viral marketing will go to the negative publicity, because a lot of people talking about your brand, and then they will go and search about your brand. They will go and search about your profile, and then they will do a negative review and also negative criticism to your product or to your company. And then the last one, the viral marketing usually being used for the short-term strategy only. Maybe you want to launch your new product. Maybe you create a new product and then you want to launch it. So you have to do the viral marketing so that the people keep talking about your product maybe for 1 month or maybe for 2 months, so that it will create a viral effect. But usually being used for the short-term strategy only. How you want to create a viral marketing? The first one, you must really know your audience. You must understand your customer preference. Your customer love to shopping where at which platform. You must know your audience very well, and then play with emotion. When you do the viral marketing, most of the marketers, they are using the emotion strategy to play with the customer. And then plan your message. What kind of message that you want to distribute to the customer? They must be carefully planning. It's not suddenly you want to broadcast your content. Everything must be planned. And then visual is the best. And maybe you can do the viral marketing using a video and compared to the text. Because right now people love video compared to the text. So visual usually is the best. And then another technique is using social media. You must have a lot of account. You must have Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube channel. And then after that, you launch into all these platforms to promote your viral marketing. So this is the strategy that you can use to promote viral marketing strategy. Next is about hashtag. Hashtag become the popular things in the year 2000 because the people love to hashtag. When you come up with the popular hashtag, the people will find you, and then they can also follow and like whatever the content that you post at the social media. So the benefit of the hashtag usually for the brand promotion. You can use hashtag to promote your brand to the customer, so that the people, when they want to search your company, maybe they don't remember your company, but they remember your hashtag. So this is very important. You must come up with a very unique hashtag so that the people can associate with your brand or your product. I give to you the example of hashtag that I searched. This is just the example that you can use. For example, hashtag visit my IG, hashtag IG shop Malaysia, hashtag Insta shop Malaysia, hashtag Malaysia Selangor, hashtag Kuala Lumpur, hashtag flawless. So this kind of hashtag that you must put into your social media. Next, I give you the website that lists down the popular hashtag from all over internet. You can go to this website and get the idea. What is the top hashtag in 2020? What is the top hashtag last month? What is the top hashtag for women? What is the top hashtag in Malaysia? So all this data you can use in your posting, and then you can put hashtag at your hosting at your video. Okay, that's it for my slide, and I see you in the next slide. Thank you.